All right, beer o'clock.
Celebration time.
Yes. Past registration inspections.
Yes. So now you just got to wait for them to finally send you the paperwork
Yes.
because there's a hold up.
Yeah.
We were, what, 160 cars in the queue?
There was 160 other vehicles waiting on the paperwork. So he said, look, it's all passed, everything like that. I probably won't see paperwork till maybe late tomorrow. So probably Tuesday I'll go get plates. But it's passed, it's done.
I didn't have to burn it. I threatened to set fire to it today.
It was a good
test
drive for it, I suppose.
Yeah, it was. You had to go to what, Beaconsfield or whatever.
Yeah, so it was 22 Ks, 23 Ks. But anyway.
But more importantly, I've got a new toy.
This is the first part of our Mad Max Big Bopper.
Yeah. Got a guy I know in the East. He makes, it's like the roof console out of the Big Bopper cars and that sort of thing for the Mad Max thing. So he does a copy of it. But it's cool because it's got the voices.
Big Bopper the March here. We're still in the game, okay? I'm scared and exclusive.
They're going to die.
Yeah, no. That one might be a bit hard to hear.
Yeah.
We are 100% snafu.
That's the goose.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the Knight Rider.
Knight Rider, yeah.
I am a roller. I am a out of control or whatever. Anyway, yeah. So anyway, it's pretty cool. So he sort of makes these in his spare time, and I thought I had to have it. So that means we have to build the car now because we've got this.
Yeah.
So it can't be built any other way.
And you've got the Goose on there. Of course, Goose is a local.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Steve Bisley lives local.
Yeah. Actually, he lives in a mate's apartment. Yeah. I mean, he rents it. He doesn't he's not just living. He's not squatting. Okay, he's actually rents it. Yeah.
Well, so, as far as we know, he pays.
Well, I don't know. But anyway.
But no, it's pretty cool. Like, it does all the different sounds, like clips from Mad Max 1 and, like a whole bunch
of really cool stuff. I've ordered another one off Ross.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put it in my ute. I'm going to be a wanker. But,
And you could do the noises and then put them through the loudspeaker as well. So everyone in the neighbourhood could enjoy it.
I know Donna's going to crack the shit when I put it in the ute and then I drive around pressing the buttons all the time. She's not going to like
because they're there, you've got to press them.
That's exactly right. And the lights will be flashing.
Buttons are to be pressed.
Yes, that's exactly right. Look.
We're out of the game.
We're out of the game. Yeah.
You better send a meat truck. Charlie's copped a saucepan in the throat.
Saucepan in the throat.
Saucepan in the throat. Yeah, that's right. And then for the rest of it is...
So for all of you American people, we say Mad Max. You guys say Road Warrior.
Their first movie was Road Warrior.
So for us it was Mad Max. And for some reason they actually dubbed over it with American actors' voices.
Oh, did they?
Yeah. Right. Not as good. So the American people, you need to find the Australian version of Mad Max. Well, we call it Mad Max 1.
Yes.
So, yeah.
The best. Wow.
I think it's the best. I think it's the best one.
Yeah. The second one's pretty good.
Yeah.
We don't
talk about 3.
We don't talk about 3. It's an okay movie, but we skip 3. We go to 4. We liked.
I didn't mind 4. Road. Yeah, I didn't mind 4 because they had cool cars.
Cool cars, and it was there wasn't a lot of plot. It was just they all drove that way. Then they all drive back the other way.
Yeah, but that's the whole thing. Like when you go for a drive in a hot rod, there's no real plot, is there? No. You're just going for a drive that way, then you turn around and you come back that way. So it's the same thing. So it doesn't matter.
Cool cars. And I didn't mind Furiosa.
Yeah, it was all right. I didn't like the Australian actor. What's his name?
Chris Hemsworth.
Yeah, he was shit in that. His accent is shocking. He shouldn't call himself Australian.
But when you hear him doing interviews, he sounds really Australian.
Yeah,
so I don't know what he was trying
really
to do
Australian good. I don't know who he was trying to channel in that in Furiosa.
It was like he was trying to be Australian American, but he didn't need to stand Australian.
I don't know what it was. Anyway, have a look at it. But anyway, Mad Max, it's good fun. It's a lifestyle.
Yes, that's right.
And when the world collapses, we need to learn to live like that.
Like that, yeah.
Because that's what it'll be like.
Be chasing the gasoline.
The gasoline, yeah. But anyway, enough frivolity.
So that's it. Apart from that and doing that,
I've been working on the ute, so you'll see a fair bit on the Chev ute next week.
Yeah.
I've been making a lot of noise this week. My arms are sore, my wrists are sore.
Yes, lots
I've got
of
bruises all up and down my arms, you know.
And I've been sanding the Extend cab. So
Pick up, yeah.
hopefully we'll be getting close to putting some colour on
Mm.
that, and we'll get it all prepped and primed and sanded,
Yeah.
and then put it on a trailer and take it around the booth and
Yeah.
get it all painted with all the other loose bits and pieces.
Yeah, the thing is
Lot of-
that's got a lot of panels,
Yeah.
a lot of pieces, so that's a pain in the ass to paint, but no one.
And and with our USA tours, as most people hopefully know, we run those. Next year we have one solitary spot left for our SEMA tour. Grand National Roadster Show, done and dusted. We're not taking any more.
And also the
LA Roadster
LA
Show
Roadster Show
booked
is
out.
booked out.
So we sold the last 2 spots, and we sold one more spot for SEMA. So we've got 1 spot for SEMA 2025. And
Yeah,
then-
so basically if you want to go to America with us in 2025, you're coming to SEMA.
yeah, that's it.
And only one of you.
And only one.
So, okay, so getting quick. But we've been talking about it today, and we're going, well, shit, we better figure something else out. So over the next month or so, we will work on a list of what we think events we might be able to do. What for 2026. So we will offer up a list of half a dozen different tours.
Yep.
We're not going to be doing half a dozen different tours, otherwise I think we'll both be divorced.
Well, yes, if we did that,
We'd be
you'd be
living
seeing-
here,
us setting up the spare room up there, fitting it out.
rolling out the swag.
There'd
I'll just sleep under a bench.
be a lot more videos because we'd have nothing else to do.
No, that's
We haven't
right.
even got a TV here.
So we're really trying to restrict it to, probably 3 trips a year.
Yeah.
But we'll probably offer up a choice of maybe 6. We've sort of worked out that we might be able to do 6. And one of them will be the Texas one,
Yes.
which we're going to research in 5-6 weeks whenever we go.
When we
When we
finish
go to Grand National. Yeah.
We'll put everyone on the plane, and then the next day we'll fly down to Dallas, and we're going to spend we've got 5 days, I think.
Yeah.
Going to look at all the different things that we can check out. So if you're from Dallas, Texas, and you've got a hot rod shop, or your mate's got a hot rod shop, or you know
someone,
stuff,
just tell us.
yeah,
Send us a message or comment
just comment.
or ring us
Just comment.
or email us or carrier pigeon.
Carrier
I think they
pigeon.
still use those.
Well, they still do the blanket and the puff of smoke.
Oh, what's the Morse code? Yeah, I don't know what it is. So I'll just hear. Yeah, hang on. What's this one?
One of those buttons.
Acknowledge Big Bopper, acknowledge.
Oh, acknowledge
There
Big
you go.
Bopper. Yeah,
Acknowledge
we'll
Big Bopper.
we'll
So
use
acknowledge Big Bopper. But yeah, so that's the thing. So yeah, 3 tours next year. We'll be in Sydney. When are we going to Sydney?
May 24th, 25th for
Yeah,
the Hot Rod and Custom Expo.
yeah, we'll have a stand there again
And we think we're going to try and do a stand
in
At the
Japan
Moonrise
at Yokohama.
show in Japan.
Yeah.
We thought we'll see if we can. We've got our first 2 ever international guests coming to LA Roadster Show.
So we got 2 Kiwis.
yes, we got Callum and
Not the birds.
Simon. No, not the birds.
No, the actual New Zealand people.
Yeah, a couple of guys. from New
not
Zealand.
not actually the flightless winged
Yeah.
bird or whatever it is. I don't know.
Because you don't have to be from Australia. You just need to meet us in LA.
Yeah.
You could live in New York. It wouldn't really matter.
That's
You could live
exactly
in Japan,
right. Yeah.
Sweden, Finland,
Yeah.
Germany, England,
Yeah. So that's the thing.
other
So
countries. Yeah.
so we're a bit busy next year, gallivanting all over the place,
Working.
much to my wife's disgust.
Yeah.
But that's all right. She doesn't watch this video anyway. So
Oh, she doesn't watch your
no, she,
channel?
no, she doesn't watch our channel.
God.
No way. No way.
JD doesn't watch it either.
No.
No, my wife doesn't
No.
watch it. I made my son sign up, and he was like, I don't want to watch it, Dad.
It's
He
too
doesn't
late.
want
You're watching it.
I made him sign up because,
Yeah.
of course, because I'm always editing and I just see the behind the scenes stuff, even on my own TV when I watch it, it's my account. So when I put Lachlan's account on, I got to see what everyone else sees.
Yeah.
Wasn't any
Ads.
better. Ads, yeah.
Because I
got see
refuse to
ads.
pay for the premium.
I don't see the ads.
Yeah.
Because I'm premium and I'm a creator.
He's a celebrity. Yeah.
Creator. I'm a YouTube creator.
Okay. And how is the OnlyFans going?
It's really bad. People are paying me to keep my clothes on.
Get your clothes on. Yeah.
I'm doing
For
pretty well.
Christ's
out of
sake.
that.
Yeah.
But that's
Okay.
it.
But other than that, yeah, that's it. So yeah, happy days.
Happy days. I'll have plates on that and
And burnouts next week.
coming to a car show near you.
On the back of a tilt truck.
Yeah.
No, it won't now because everything's been fixed on it.
Everything's fixed. Yeah.
So
it'll be
should be a
fine.
good car actually.
Yeah. Well, it was good today. No dramas.
Yeah.
Ran well. Drove nice.
Once it's got plates on, now we're going to look at the paint job.
Yes.
We've got some ideas. Well, I've got ideas.
Yeah.
I don't know whether
I'm keen to
convince
do
him.
something because it's nice, but
It's old paint,
it's old paint and it's just a red barrel.
and there's also mismatched color panels.
Oh,
So
yeah,
there's
there's
different
panels.
shade panels and that sort of stuff. So
There's a lot of chip scratches.
we're going to hide it.
What is Richard Rawling? Whiskey dents.
Oh, really? Is
He
that what
calls
he
them
calls
whiskey
it?
dents. I don't know why they call them whiskey dents.
Okay.
But it's
Whiskey
got-
dents because
got lots
you're
of
normally
whiskey dents.
pissed.
It's got a barrel of whiskey dents.
Yeah.
Not an older bottle. So,
Yeah.
all right.
Okay. See ya.
See ya.
Mayforce Patrol. We're out of the game, unable to continue pursuit.